Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me Anil and we are in the series of online job portal using ASP.NET. In previous video, that is part number 11, we have seen in admin panel, admin can uh, view the job applied by the user and can download the resumes, okay, and can also check for which job they have applied, okay. Now in today's video, we are going to create a page for this dashboard. Okay, we have already created a page for that, but we'll implement here like the uh, card in that will display the count total number of data present in that particular table, like for the user, how many users has been registered to this website, and the job, how many jobs has been added to this website, then how many of them user which has applied the job. Okay, like that way can display here in the dashboard. So we'll see in this today's video. Okay, so let's stop this, go to solution explorer. In admin we have dashboard here. Let's open it. Okay, let's remove this part. Let's take div tag. So here we'll take class container padding top, let's say 4. Then inside this div tag we'll take another div tag. Let's give class here row. Inside this div tag another div tag, class call 12 padding bottom 3. Now let's take here header 3, header 2, give class here text center, give the text here dashboard, save it. Okay, then after this div tag, let's enter, not here, just about that. After this div tag, let's enter. Okay, now here we'll take div tag. So now here we'll we'll take that the main card part where we're going to display the count of the list of tables. Okay, so take here one, sorry, not here, here class call md10 mx auto. So it will going to arrange going to adapt it according to the screen size. Okay, and div class row div class call excel 3 call lg 6. div class card div card statistic card statistic hyphen 3 space padding 4 card hyphen icon card hyphen icon hyphen large. Right now we don't have these classes like taking your card statistics, card icon large. So I will be using in the CSS here in the head part of this content page folder. I will do it later. Okay, let's first design this. We'll take here I tag, take class for it, that is font awesome, FAS FA users padding row 2. Then another div class margin bottom 4 h5 header 5. Let's take your class here. Will take card title, card hyphen title, skip margin bottom 0, total users, div class row align items center margin bottom 2, d flex, and inside that again one div tag, class call 8. Inside that we'll take s2 header 2, class dflex align item center align items center, margin bottom 0. So here we'll take this one, the session part, like the total count will going to display here. Right now I'm going to take here some dummy data, then we'll want to display from the database. Okay, so right now we'll take some dummy data here, set time. So let's comment this part, so that will come to know that is the count of these total users. Okay, okay, so let's copy this whole div from here to here. Let's copy and paste. Now let's take here for the total jobs, the first one, that is total users, then total jobs, and we'll change here that this one also, it can say this one font awesome also here. Yeah, briefcase. Okay, save it. Now after that, enter, paste it again. Now this time we'll take here font awesome, fa hyphen check hyphen square. And here instead of user we'll take applied job, applied jobs. Save it. After that we'll paste it again. Now this time here we'll take for the font awesome, that is comment, comments. Okay, and here we'll change contacted user, the user who has contacted, okay, to the website or the admin. Okay, so the design part has completed, but the CSS part is still left. So I'm opening that also. Okay, we'll open that. Select and paste here inside this first content placeholder. Paste. Starting the first line, I have taken the serial link for font awesome. Okay, and then the style, within the style I have taken this the CSS code. Okay, let's save it now and let's run and see in the browser how it will looks. Let's log in with the admin. You can see the cards has been here appeared. the dashboard page, and we'll change here the this count, means it will going to come dynamically from the database. Okay, for that we are going to take functions in the code behind page of this dashboard. Okay, so let's take that. Let's close this and go to the code behind page. Just right click on it and go to view code. Now here we'll take some SQL class, that is SQL connection. SQL data vector, then data table dt, then this one, let's take one string, give the variable str, let's input the namespace, configuration manager dot connection string name, that is cs, that we have taken in the vector config file, dot connection string semicolon. Now inside this page load event, it will check for that user has admin, the session has, the user has been logged in or not. For that we have done here inside this. So we'll copy this code from here and paste it here inside this page load event. Here instead of show job, here we'll first take for users, and same for the job. But now we don't have any function which I'm taking here. We'll create in a moment. Okay, so just press control dot, so it will ask to create or generate this method in this dashboard page. So it has been generated here. So let's remove this part, or let's add for everyone. Okay, let's copy the code from, okay, let's type it here. Con is equals to new SQL connection. If it pass this connection object, it is here. SDA is equals to new SQL data vector. And give the query, select count. We'll use here count SQL count function. That is star. We'll take here all data from the table, from user table. Let's give a comma, that's connection string object con. Okay, now enter. data is equals to new data table sga dot fill data semicolon. Then here it will check if the data dot rows dot count is greater than 0, then we'll take here session, the name, users. Here we'll display the count data, that is like 0 index at 0 row, okay, semicolon. Or else if it didn't has any data in the table at that time, it will going to take 0, okay. So here we'll give 0 semicolon, okay. Now let's copy this code and paste inside this every function that we have here. So the first one is done, the second one, that is from the applied job, okay. mm, okay, this is an applied job, so we'll give here applied job, applied jobs, and we'll change the session name also here. Copy this table name using the same the name of the session, save it. Then for the job, jobs, copy, paste, paste, save it. Then for the user, okay, this one is for user, okay. Then then which one is the first one, okay, contact, copy, paste, paste, save it. Okay, so we have done all this, the user, jobs, then applied jobs and contact, okay. So let's save it and now run in browser. Let's log in as an admin. Okay, but we didn't change the design part, the session that we have taken. We have to take in the design part also, where we are displaying this record, okay. So let's open the design page of the dashboard. Now here, instead of this here static value 10, we'll take here angular bracket, open angular bracket, then percentage, then has, not has, then response dot write, we'll use your session name. The first one is for user, right? So we'll take here users, and here we'll have to give semicolon also, okay. So now save. So let's copy it, copy, So we have done with the total users, then paste it here for jobs, save it, then here for applied jobs, applied jobs, here for contact. Okay, let's now refresh the browser. Can see now it's showing dynamically the data count. Okay, there is one user who has contacted this website owner, and the job has been applied, that is 3, and there is total 5 job, and there is 2 user who has been registered to this website. Okay, now let's remove this data from this contact user, and we'll see now the count here. So let's open our SQL Server Management Studio and click on new query, use job portal, delete from table, that is contact. Now we have only one data inside this uh, contact table, so that's why we don't need to pass that ID of that column of that row. Okay, so let's press F5, so it will delete here. You can see one row affected. Now if you see inside this table, select star from contact, there is no data present inside this table contact. Now just refresh this browser. You can see the contact user is data is showing 0, count 0. Okay, now in the next video we'll create one new page for that user. Okay, like where admin can manage the user, but it's get completed what I've shown in the demo video of this project. Till there we have completed here. Only this logout functionality is left, and the rest of the thing we have covered. But from my side, I'm going to cover one new page here for the user. Okay, in the admin panel. So that's it for today, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, thank you for watching.